Welcome back to Tip Tuesday, Ryan. It's great to see you. Great to be back with everybody.
Good to be back. Thanks, Dana. Hi, everyone.
Hi. So we have a lot of questions that come our way regarding if you're married and one of those married people don't want to be on the loan. So how does that work, Ryan? What's the process?
Yeah, if you're legally married and you want to purchase a home without your spouse, you can do that. We do it all the time. But if you're in a community property state and looking to get a government mortgage like an FHA loan, VA, USDA, I know we've been over those on other Tip Tuesdays, you still need to pull the non-borrowing spouse's credit. So a lot of people, when we're taking our applications, they're kind of confused by this. They're like, well, my spouse isn't on the loan. Why do you need their credit? Well, in community property states, spouses are considered joint owners of all assets and most importantly, in this case, debts acquired in the marriage. So here in Arizona, we are a community property state. So is Washington, Idaho, Nevada, California, New Mexico, Texas, I'm missing two, Louisiana, and Wisconsin. So for example, if a wife is buying a home on her own and during the marriage, her husband bought, an expensive car, and maybe it's $1,000 monthly that he's paying, the wife would have to qualify for a home and consider that $1,000 payment in her debt to income ratio. This could really limit the amount she qualifies for since we hit her with the debt, but the husband's not on the loan, so we can't use his income. So it's always best to have both spouses on. And this is why, if one spouse has great credit and the other one doesn't, we'll always try to help the other one get the scores up so we could use their income. But, this is kind of the big tip here, is if you go conventional and have, not doing a government loan, the non-borrowing spouse's credit is not required. So you could always explore this option first, which we typically do. If you have to go government loan, we'll have to get that credit report and see how things go. But that's the tip for the day.
Awesome. Great tip, Ryan. Thank you so much. And we'll see you next week, guys.
Thanks, everyone.
Bye.